The final prioritization method we're going to discuss is another game called Speedboat. For this game, you need a drawing of a speedboat on a whiteboard or poster. The boat signifies the product, and the boat's anchors signify features that the customers aren't happy with. Customers then use post-it notes to write down how much faster the boat could move without each anchor. These notes provide an estimation of which features need to be addressed the soonest. The features that slow the boat or the product down the most are the ones your team should focus on first. This method allows your team to tap the customer's experiences of your product and to absorb their feedback into your planning process. Your team can then prioritize work based on what will bring the customers the most satisfaction. Remember, prioritize the production of value to increase the delivery of value.